Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 3rd, 2021. Chargepoint. Man, I got to talk about Chargepoint. I had to give you the next updated play for this particular stock because I noticed some things on the chart recently that I need to bring to your attention so that we can be in position and dominate within the stock market without being confused. So hit me up, join our team, join our community, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel because not only are we going to give you a price prediction, we're going to give it to you in a way that you can be able to understand it, right? We understand. We once were in your shoes trying to figure out technical indicators, trying to figure out, okay, what does the RSI mean? What in the world is a Fibonacci retracement? How in the world can I use the Elliott wave analysis to try to benefit me in my trading? We understand all of that. We walk in your shoes. And now we saw the light. We understand that there's a better way of predicting price without the confusion, and it's called language analysis. Yes. So I want you all to buckle in, join me, hit the like button, share, subscribe, tap that bell notification so you become notified whenever I upload our videos. All right, so check this out. Chargepoint. Last time we did our video was on July the 24th, right? We told you all what we're expecting the price to do in the market in Chargepoint, and this has occurred. Look at it, all right? The market in Chargepoint originally traded sideways. Cool, we did that. We saw the market get rejected at where we expected it, right there around 26. Price came back down, and we only had a small stint, right? We didn't get that full ultimate profit out the market in Chargepoint. Our support area was right there around $19.80, right? And it still is. But we only came, as low as $20.75. So we could have eaten off of 7.75% profitability into the market in Chargepoint right there. We had a couple of days to where we could have done that, right? We did. But if you couldn't catch that, if you couldn't eat off that profit right there, yeah, we'd be down right now. Okay, right here. We'll be down about 2.25%, almost 2.5%. Cool. Now let me get rid of this because you're not here to see that. That's just old news. We need to talk about, okay, what in the world are you trying to say, HueFin? What are you seeing on this chart that causes you to come in and do a video? If you've been an avid viewer of our videos, what is the first thing I tell you all to look at on price chart? What's the first thing I tell you? Right, the volume. Always look at the volume that comes in on any particular price bar because it tells us who came in and participated. Look at yesterday. What in the world happened yesterday in the market in Chargepoint that would cause this much volume? Look at this. Ever since this particular stock has been trading on this exchange, we have never seen this much volume. So this is a big footprint. From here on out, however this price trades, lets us know what the big money did, right? So far, all of this volume came in right here hovering around $22, $20. So already that lets me know that either the big money came in and sold off majority stake of their position in Chargepoint because they know that this market is going to go substantially lower, or two, they bought up as much of this stockpile that was available in the market in Chargepoint because they're looking for a price to go exceedingly higher. Right now, currently, I'm looking at point two. I'm looking at they came in and bought up as much of this Chargepoint at this cheap price because they know down the line price is going to go exceedingly higher than their original investment. Now, what do you think? I mean, what are you seeing on the chart? You got to learn how to interpret these things and see what it means. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is number two is because this area in Chargepoint has been created as a very strong support point, $20, right? And for us to see this much volume come in right there around that support point tells me that, yeah, so far they came in and bought up this market, all right? So far. Now, as we go throughout September and we see this price unable to maintain $20, then what occurred yesterday, September 2nd, 2021, tells you that they sold, right? So we're not necessarily clear to say that, yeah, they definitely bought here. No, We need a little bit more time to see what price does after yesterday's trading. All right. But this is the current presumption that I am following right now, is that they came in and bought the market in Chargepoint yesterday. Right. So check this out. What do you think price is going to do off of all that volume going forward? Do you think we're going to continue to drop? Do you think price is going to go up now? Because so far, the market is stable. It's not bullish. It's not leaning towards being strong, and it's not leaning towards being weak. It's not there yet. We are just trading here. That's it. We're just trading sideways to where support is still 20 and restriction is still around 26. That's what our trading range is right now. All right. Now, how did we end out the month in Chargepoint? Right. Last month was weak. The month of August was weak. What about July? It was weak as well. Right. But we got this very strong support area consecutively right here. March, April, May, the market bounced off of support there. Okay, we got to keep our eyes open on that, people. We have to. We have to make sure that price does not break below $20, because if it is, the market's going to go massively lower, massively. So you got to be prepared to act to see price break below $20 on weakness. That's the only thing that is negative about my prediction right now, is to see price break below $20 in Chargepoint. So now, what do you think the play is? What are you noticing on the chart in Chargepoint? Yes, I'm gonna play the strength. I am. I'm gonna expect the price in Chargepoint to go up right before the market even gets there. And I'm going to show you. You guys can remember? I said what? 26 is that upper range of this market trading and consolidating. And support is still right there around 20. Simple. We're there. This is our expectation in Chargepoint. Now, long term, yeah, $26 is not going to be a problem. We can see this price in Chargepoint when you look at this on a monthly basis. Outside of 26, next area will be 27. But then I can see the price trying to hit up there towards 30 in Chargepoint. Right? It all depends on how long you're trying to be in this play. Like, you might be the person who's trying to hold Chargepoint for the next 100 years. Right? If that's you, yeah. Time and time movement right now about price doesn't affect you. Right? You got 100 years to let the market move. So, yeah, this is not for you. Right? So check this out. Let me run the play. Let me go back. All right, this is the play right here. Ultimate area TPs are going to be around 26. First is 24. That area is a shallow area of restriction as well. We need to grab that 4.25% out the market before price come back down. Just saying. 26 is the ultimate area though, right now. Next area will be around 28. Okay, but I'm not necessarily seeing that yet. All right. So that's it. I'm done. I mean, let me know now. You're part of our team, you're part of our community. Drop me your price prediction about Chargepoint over the next 3 weeks. Where do you think price is going to be? And let's not make it confusing, excuse me. And I'm done. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different and don't be like everybody else.